Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. This is the actual Porsche 987 Boxster that we're working on before. So you can see everything's back together here. We can tell someone's been here before. See that bolt there? This whole thing was just flopping around with the car. See that bolt, that nut there, the gold one? We put that one back on. On this one, there's nothing there. Someone's been here before, done some work, we can tell, 100%. And then now we just finished putting the intake manifold on, back together. We're just taking this off here. We're taking the actual oil separator out so we can actually, we finished cleaning the intake manifold. A lot of carbon deposit was in there and oil as well. But now we're just doing the actual, we're removing the oil separator out. So before we remove, I just want to show a quick video that someone have probably done some work or done some separator before. Usually, and if you look at the actual, look at that clip there, see it on the corner there. Before we take it out, we're just doing a video. That clip is broken off from the oil separator. So that hose there is a main breather hose that goes around like that. Goes around here, goes around there, and goes back to the actual, to the other side. All right, but just want to show the video. This someone has been doing some work on this car before, and then they got no idea what they're doing, and this is what happened, what we found, especially on the front as well and underneath. A lot of stuff that's been taken off to do before by somebody else, and we're just doing a video to show everything. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna repair that by using a cable tie and some plastic glue to but when we take, if we take the engine out to do the actual rear main seal in the future, then we'll replace all the plastic here in the main one. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.